is freezing. Be blizzards today. But right now it's just raining ice. And it was freezing. Frozen. About to put her back.
A little stand. Somebody got these. Barely keep my eyes open, it's so bright. See where to fit. See the creek frozen. I want to see what that pool area looks like. That ice is pretty hard. It's the difference being in the forest compared to right around here. My eyes still good. It's nice. It's like a little. I bet some other trees would go. That's pretty good. They're sour. I know a lot of fruit. Feel that wind hitting you. You gotta go in the forest. Dog. Edges on the other side. We're at 73%. So when we
Hello everyone, this is Zay and Nay. Welcome to our channel. It is raining ice right now. It is like frosty land. I don't know if the camera can pick up all the frost and ice, but it is freezing. It's supposed to be snowing, but it's just freezing ice. They're saying it's supposed to be blizzards today. Well, right now it's just raining ice. Trying to feed Layla. Like, literally the ground is ice. Like, that is crazy. Everything is closed down. I was supposed to be working today. That ain't happening. But yeah, it's I can't even say the word, but it's just bad weather. I was supposed to be at work, but it's like we literally can't. We're stranded here because it's ice everywhere. Like, literally the ground is ice. Oh my goodness, I'm about to fall because it's so slippery. Trying to find Layla's little like feeding box thing. Oh my goodness. I don't know where I put anything. Everything is just everywhere. And Layla's freezing. Oh my goodness. Gotta hurry up. I think I left it in the house. He's blue. I had to feed both of them. Bluey in his shelter. We gave him a nice shelter. Huh, buddy? That box over there. There's Zay. I can't find the box. Feeding box. The feeding box, like the black box. I think it's in the house. I don't know. I can't find it anywhere. My goodness, Layla, don't make Daddy fall.
She was laying on that hay last night.
Oh.
Looked like a little mess.
Oh. It's all frozen now.
You think I'll let her go? Go.
Yes. We're going to have to tie her up. Then I'll feed her. Yeah, it's ice. Like, this is crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, that might be frozen. I don't know. I guess just keep her by you when she. Oh. Ugh. Damn. Look at that. Everything is frozen. I feed Layla. Yeah, I gave her some food. Let me stop.
Oh gosh, it's freezing. It's just like freezing rain coming down. I don't even get how it's possible if it's freezing. I don't get how it's not frozen. But yeah, I'd prefer the snow. See, it looks like everything's just iced. But yeah, I'm getting this wood by the house, putting it in the log carrier we got from White Duck. This thing is coming handy, so we don't have to carry the wood by hand. We use a little log carrier bag, fill it up, and bring it inside the house. She giving Blue some water, because all the animals' water freezes. So I gotta get all the animals water. Yeah.
Crazy. You hear the rain?
Yeah.
Like, falling through the cedar tree.
Not really. It looks crazy.
Like, you hear it.
It's like little ice balls coming down. It's like not really rain. But yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna get these. Now that it's full, carry this inside the house and sit next to the stove.
It's crazy. It's like now it's kind of snowing, but it's still like icy. It's weird. Look at lay down. Yeah. Look at it. She's all frozen. About to put her back inside. It's so cold. Oh my goodness. You gotta go back in your shelter. Ice is literally slapping in your face. Oh my goodness.
So you see we got the wood stove blasting. Got the firewood in here. Got it stacked up next to the stove. We got a little stand somebody got us on the wish list. So you see the sink is a mess in here, but yeah. Blue out there playing with the ice.
Oh, it was funny. ice.
He thirsty. You give him that water?
Yeah, I gave him. He drank some of it.
He eating the ice. Why he eating it? He was playing with it. I wish I could have got it on. He's
That
going
is
crazy
funny.
scratching it.
Look at how he gobbled it down.
Yeah, he still got it. Oh, he dropped it.
Yeah, boy. You know
He likes the ice. He'd rather eat the ice than drink the water.
Yeah, I gave him water.
He saw the water. I know. Yeah, I saw him look at it.
Yeah.
Woo-wee. It's pretty cold out here. My hair is like frozen. My hair looks wild. But yeah. So it's kind of starting to snow now. I can barely keep my eyes open. It's so bright. I've been inside. Crazy. It's so bright out here. My eyes have to adjust. Layla took a dump over there. The other ones I think is over. They're over here. I don't think it goes. One of them. Trying to find these pieces to the cart. I took the sides off. I'm trying to remember where it was at when I took it. First one I took off. Might have been in a different spot. Look at that.
Yeah, holy.
Yeah. There you go. Nothing quick. Where was that? I don't think where. What pieces? You sure it's not on there already?
Yeah, I put the ones I found over here. I don't think so. I didn't see nothing on the cart. Of course, there's always an obstacle. Dang.
My glove again.
Found the last one. Under all this hay. Dang. Shoot, I can use that as bedding in the wagon. That's gonna lay something down on the bottom.
That's good hay though.
Oh,
Is that bad hay?
no, I'm just gonna grab a box. Then I feel like digging.
Hopefully you can even put these on. They were frozen.
Huh?
Hopefully you can even put them on. They're frozen.
Yeah. Let's see.
Layla. Going into the forest to see what it feels like in there in the trees compared to out here. It's pretty cold. It don't seem as windy though as it was earlier. The wind was blasting earlier. But I don't know, I got the scarf on now, this face mask. Had to get our scars and stuff. Label.
We gotta put a scarf on. That wind is brutal.
Huh. Ew. See the creek frozen. Slippery over here. It ain't even, it looks even, but it ain't. Step where Layla step. Yeah. This is all slush and
Yeah, be careful.
ice. Ooh. Slippery. Yeah, I don't know why you went steep.
Huh?
That area was steep. Can I go through here or that way?
I wanna go through here. I wanna see the phone.
Yeah.
There you go. We're going this way.
Imagine having this all open where you can like see the house up there through here.
Yeah.
That'd be pretty cool.
Yeah.
Kind of want to see what the cedar trees look like.
Yeah, these two.
All
I
this,
think we could cross over there.
yeah. Look at that. The creek. Frozen creek. I want to see what that pool area looks like. It's frozen over there. Layla, be careful. Yeah, it's not completely froze over yet. You can tell there's life in that little pond. There's life in that thing. That's where I saw the fish at. But it's not even froze over. There's a little spot that's thawed. Slippery. Layla, be careful. Come here, Layla.
That's crazy. So much water.
Yeah. I want to get closer, but it's like a little avalanche. I'm gonna have to crawl down. It looks cool though. Layla, be careful. But yeah, if we dam up that little area over there, put some logs or something in it and cover it, this will fill up with a lot more water. That's what we should do. That'll be water, and then I was gonna say what else. That water don't look like it has too much stuff in it either. We could pump it out.
Yeah, it looks pretty clean.
Might even could use one of them small pumps. But yeah, if we fill it up, it'll be less sediment on the bottom. We could pump water from higher up. But yeah, would it be cool to put some fish in here though? Like we could dam it up and get some more water. Have it to where I'll put like some bluegill or something in it. Oh, this is big enough to put some crappie. Layla like the snow. These storms.
I want to go back and see the cedar tree area.
Yeah.
Go over there.
You want to try to cross through the forest or go?
No, I just want to go.
Layla, quit walking
Over
on the
there.
thing. Damn.
I haven't just been over there.
She walking on the ice. I didn't realize it was that solid. Yeah, she been cooped up. Damn, that ice is pretty hard.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's that strong, but
Yeah, I ain't taking a risk.
I can hear it. So you good, mess around, ice skate, go ice skating. When you get some ice skating boots. Nah, we wouldn't chance it, but after a few days, it's gonna be freezing. Like the high is gonna be freezing for the next few days, so that ice is gonna get harder. Look at that. I'm crazy. But yeah, the temperature changes. It fluctuates so much. It doesn't stay consistently cold for that long to where the ice isn't ever really that solid. But it felt pretty solid though. And then honestly, you probably could ice skate on it in a couple days from now, but I still wouldn't try it. You can feel that breeze coming out here though. You notice that you didn't feel the breeze in there.
Yeah.
The forest.
It's more open, that's all.
Yeah, it's like opening up out here.
Layla, look all the way over here.
You thought we was going back.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gonna slip.
Oh my goodness.
Crazy. He's a killer. Yeah, there's even water in this one. I have to cross it. Feel it. I like this cedar tree. I kind of want to trim it like a bonsai tree. One of these. And see how they grow. So I was wondering, if you trim them like bonsai trees, will they still grow? I feel like they would. Like if you cut the top off of it, what would happen? If you cut off the top and then trim some of the bottom branches. It's open out here, you can feel the wind now. It definitely makes a difference. It makes a difference being in the forest compared to being out in the open. Yeah. You feel the wind chill. In the forest, it felt like a little environment. It feels enclosed, like a little ecosystem, like a little microclimate. The sun coming out, it's getting even brighter out here. My eyes still adjusting.
Yeah, I can really see. I started the water. Go to that area where we're surrounded by the cedar trees.
Yeah. Okay, now you can cut through there to get. Yeah, it's a workout walking through here with all these layers on. That's what I said, it's already getting. That's cool. Yeah, I can take it out. The wind isn't as strong back in here.
That is so cool. The trees.
Well, that's why I kind of like cedar trees, because they're pretty good wind block. In Oklahoma, the wind is powerful. I think it's more powerful than most places in the world.
The weather in Oklahoma is extreme.
It's the Great Plains, so it's naturally grasslands and strong winds. But these cedar trees taking over, they create nice wind block. So, I mean, even just in here, it's like a little habitat in here almost. Like you could really like go in there. You see that? It's like a little.
If you cut in there, you make a little tree house. It's like a tent. A little wolf's den. Wait, I'm coming in. Oh, okay.
Put your head down so the sticks don't go in your face. Put your head down. The sticks, those things hurt.
Oh my goodness.
It's like a little teepee.
So I can kind of stand.
Yeah. But yeah, if I trim this stuff down, I mean, it'd be open inside.
That's really cool.
Got a tree in there. Like a little igloo.
Yeah.
Wait, what's she doing? She's going crazy because
She's been
hyped up.
and
But this would be a better entrance right here.
yeah.
But I mean, this is nice. It's like a little shelter. You gotta take cover.
You go down there.
Oh, you said go down there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Gotta get over there to this.
I might go that way.
Yeah. You gotta go first. Really crazy. What are you doing? It's cool too, it goes down the hill. So it's like the wind is up there. And it's a perfect block. It actually wouldn't be bad having a little house back here. You could really put one in these trees. Just cut around it and make a small opening. Layla just look like a predator. She don't even blend in, she just stands out in the snow. And she blends in with the forest.
It's pretty cool in the forest. It's
Some big cedar trees back here. I bet some other trees would go good, like some fruit trees and nuts. Because a lot of water flows through this area. Man, it's pretty cool, they're tall.
yeah, I want to hit that.
Yeah. No, Layla. Head back to the house.
Yeah. Very defensive forest.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna need it. Take a shortcut. These shortcuts always got thorns and vines and stuff. Look at it. Come on, Layla. Be careful, pup. Storms out through here. Did you make it? Dang, Layla, you all in.
Dang, she's like having him slap me.
Layla, what are you doing? You stupid. Come this way. Didn't make it worse.
Dang, look at that though.
What? Yeah. That blackberry patch. You gotta go through those trees. It's all blackberry thorns. And no, it don't produce fruit either. Just thorns. Come on, man.
Yeah, I never want to go to school.
Those sumac berries. Frozen. Yeah. Wonder if they still good.
Ew.
That is kind of good. Frozen. It's still not bad.
Could make tea out of it.
Yeah, we could make some tea.
You want to grab some?
I'd rather get some bags though.
Yeah.
Dang, it's pretty good. They're sour. Sun coming out. This is where it came in at. A shortcut through there brings us back out. We should clear a path so we can just walk right through there. Yeah, sun. Sun is shining through. What are you doing? What's she doing? Layered up. My pants falling down inside the layers. I can't get to them and pull them up. Now we're passing back through the creek. Across the creek. It's a journey traveling all the property. Not all of it is clear path either. I can't wait for it to produce more plums. I'm gonna try to find some plums. I want to plant more plums around. I know a lot of fruit will do good by the creek. Like, I want to clear this whole area and just plant a bunch of fruits and berries around. We'll replace these invasive blackberry thorns. They don't really produce any fruit. We'll replace those with berries that we can actually eat and that don't really have as many thorns. The blackberries out here, they're not like blackberries you eat. They're mainly just thorns and vines. Blending in. This area looks really nice since we cleared it.
Yeah.
All I did was kind of clear out the openings a little bit, and then the sheep did the rest.
Yeah.
And this is how I kind of want it to look like. Maybe a little more open, but
Yeah.
imagine this whole area. I mean, the sheep will clear all these vines and stuff. It's nice. In that area, I thought about doing like a butterfly habitat. I don't know. I don't know what to do with that little spot. Because the water flows kind of weird over there. Could have went through there. Yeah, it definitely makes a difference going in the forest.
Yeah.
Compared to being out in the open, you feel that wind hitting you. So at the end of the tunnel, we're back out over here by the home site. The homestead, yeah, you feel the wind as soon as you step out. You stepped out of that opening and you get blasted by the wind. Luckily the wind ain't blowing as hard, but if it was a windier day, you definitely be good to go in the forest. It's like windy days, I could try to do stuff in the forest. And I want to cut a lot of that stuff down.
But man, imagine if we had a house in the forest.
It'd be warmer, and when it's hot outside, it'd be cooler.
Yeah.
And the wind wouldn't be hitting us as much.
That's the goal, is to build a house.
Where at though? And then what kind of house? Say where would we put it at?
I don't know. It'd be nice to put it in the
Dang, slippery. My stash is frozen. Sounded like they might have been working on the road. See what's going on. Thought I saw like the bulldozer or something. The dog. You hear coyotes. It's the driveway. All these dips on the ground. I don't know what they were doing. They didn't. I don't know. Maybe not. Mailbox here. I won't show the address, but mailbox address on the other side. It's already given junk mail. Hello. Yep. Yep. Pants falling now. Yeah, getting junk mail. over here. Alright. So I wanted to show what it feels like inside. It's over 80 degrees in here, if you can tell. And it's 8 degrees outside. We got the generator going to charge the Blue Eddy because it's been snowing, it's been cloudy like all week, so we've had to charge the Blue Eddy because we haven't been getting enough solar power. We're at 73%, so when we charge it, it's set to about 1300 watts. It pulls in.